Welcome to NariSakhi, and today let's make chana dal split chickpea usli, which is very tasty, and you can serve it with rice, roti, bread. So for this I have cleaned split chickpeas, chana dal, and soaked in water for 1 hour. Soaking lentils is a healthy way of cooking. It doesn't produce much gas after eating it. So soak it for 1 hour after rinsing it 2-3 times, and then we are going to boil it in fresh water. Add some salt and turmeric and some water. You can pressure cook it, but the main thing in this is the chickpeas should be cooked, but they should be whole, remain whole. They should not be mushy. The taste of whole chickpeas with the spices is really different, so don't make it mushy. So I usually, when I'm making this, I don't use pressure cooker, so they're perfectly cooked and whole. Don't add too much water because we're not using too much water. So take some oil. It's time to season it. So for seasoning, we are using mustard seeds. It's with very few ingredients but tasty. Mustard seeds helps to release the gas, so chickpeas, they're heavy to digest, so this will help digestion. So mustard seeds, once they splutter, add asafoetida. Asafoetida is also good for indigestion. So green chilies, split green chilies will give a very nice flavor. You can also add dry red chilies, but the usual flavor comes from green chilies, and some curry leaves if you have, otherwise it's optional. So add the chickpeas, and whatever water is remaining you can add, but not too much water because this is a dry recipe. So mix it well and cover and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add some coconut before that. This is freshly grated coconut, and this also will give nice flavor. So we are going to simmer it for about 2 to 3 minutes, so all the flavor and all the liquid gets absorbed. And this is very healthy, good for all the ages, for kids. So for 2 to 3 minutes, and here it goes, all the moisture, water is gone away. So this is a dry sabzi or usli, you say for that, and you can make it for children, for any ages. It's a high source of protein, and the taste is really good with the coconut and the green chili taste. It's really awesome. Do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments, and this is one of my favorite recipe. Please subscribe NariSakhi for more videos. Thank you.